my channel, and today we are going to be going over the baby corner. So this has been a long time. We finally got the finishing touches done, and I am pre-filming this because Todd is on the way due any minute now. So I just wanted to make sure this was filmed, and I wanted to show you guys everything on our baby corner. So yeah, let's just get into it. Okay, so everything that I have is going to be linked down below if I can. So let's just start over the bassinet here. I have made these. I will link it down below. Oh, future me, I'm so sorry. I'm going to link everything down below. I have the DIY on my channel, my main channel. So it just says, I love you forever, I'll like you for always, as long as I'm living, my baby you'll be. And I've always loved that saying. So really glad that's up there. And those are just Dollar Tree picture frames. The next thing here is just this cute little dry erase board that I got from the Target Dollar Spot for about $3. This isn't going to be in here, the bassinet. I know we got it from Target, but I'm not really sure which one it is. I'll definitely link it down below. But we're just trying to practice and teach Mufasa not to go in here. So this is why the Baby University box is in here. And then this I made a DIY on. I'll link that down below as well. And then on the bottom here, I just have some stuff. My nursing pillow usually goes there. And then that's just a toy that is like over 6 months old. So it's just going to hang out there for a while. Alright, here is another DIY that I did on my main channel here. And then this shelving unit we got from Target. All of the bins we got from the Dollar Tree. And this is just some leftover fabric that I bought at Walmart. These bins here are just Dollar Tree bins that I wrapped in yarn. And this I have a DIY on as well. So these I got from Amazon, which I love. Walmart here. And then this was from my in-laws. And then I made that pillow, but I don't know what happened to the footage, so I don't have a DIY on that. Sorry. And then it just has a little teddy bear in the back. So this first one here just has a bunch of like bibs and burp cloths. This has some bath and like towel stuff. Over here has just the bathing flour. As we go down here, we have bottles, pacifiers, and some other like feeding stuff. Over here we have just the disposable bottle liners. And then a bunch of formula that we got in this one. And this one I think I got them because I signed up for a few of like free sample stuff online. Yeah, we didn't buy any of that formula, by the way. So we have extra newborn diapers in here. Lots of extra wipes in here. And then this one's just a random catch-all. I will eventually find a home for all of that. Okay. So as we go back up, or down here, this is just something to help my knees. I found it at the Dollar Tree in the gardening section. And then here is just the diaper genie. These cloud shelves I got at Hobby Lobby. This is just some extra fabric here. Just give it some final touches. Dollar Tree, I don't know, it was a gift. Dollar Tree stuff DIY that I did for the gender announcement. Dollar Tree and Walmart. So that one's Dollar Tree, that's Walmart. Okay, and then we go to her closet. So I don't know what we're doing with that, but for right now it lives there. So the books were, some were from Dollar Tree, some were gifts, and then the little shoes were from my in-laws. They were given to her when X was born, which was really cool. Then this one my sister got me. We're just waiting for her to come, so yeah. Here are some other DIYs that I have done. Oh, I need to move that because that is her name. So yeah, here is some more DIYs. This has her name here, and I don't want to post her name. And then that is from the Dollar Tree as well. And then behind it, we just have stuff that we're not really going to use very often, just more storage space. I just wanted a little bit more because of the fact that it was wasted space regardless. These aren't all her clothes. I'm still waiting for her clothes to get here. But these are just the ones that are washed. And this is just from newborn to 3 months. And then in here, it has some socks and mittens and some hats, more hats, and some pants. And then this one has a whole bunch of hangers. In here has a whole bunch of her swaddles and blankets. And then in here it has a bunch of the extra bigger clothes in here. And then these are the size 1 diapers. And then this is like a breastfeeding kit here. And then this is her little hamper with some stuff that I need to wash already. And then we have her play pin area back there. It's in the bag already. And then we have Henry. Hi, Henry. Henry I've had since I was 3, so I thought he would kind of like make the area a little bit more cuter and just have a little bit of me and a little bit of a ton. So yeah, that is pretty much everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have a great day. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and hit that bell. I definitely appreciate it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!